Hello, I just wanted to take you through the steps for inserting an image into your Gmail signature. So when we go into our Gmail, typically what we see is a signature at the bottom of our emails where it says a name, and then it gives maybe a little bit of information where the building is, that this individual works, phone number, email address, website. But one of the things that people really like are these images or logos that have been able to be placed into their Gmail signature. So I want to take you through very briefly how to do this. So I've already created a template for inserting an image. If you look here, you can see I have my email at the very top and my image at the bottom. So to do this, what I did is I went into a Google document. I ended up going up to the top and I clicked insert and I did table. Now you have to decide, do you want to have the image to the left and your signature to the right, or do you want to have your signature at the top and the image on the bottom? That will dictate as to which table you insert into your Google Doc. So I'm going to go ahead. I like the image on the left, so I'm going to click the side-by-side view. The next piece I want to do is I want to insert that image. So if you have an image in mind, you can download one from the internet. You can copy it. I've actually downloaded one, and it's the We Are Firebirds image. And this is what that We Are Firebirds image looks like. And I've actually saved this in my Google Drive. So the next thing I do is I click into that cell, I click insert, and I click image. If I go to my Google Drive, and then I click recent, it will be the very first one at the top. If I double click that, it'll insert that We Are Firebirds image. And then on the right is where I put my signature. For this, I would just go back to one of my emails or go to a at the bottom where it allows you to reply. I click reply, and then you see the three dots. I can go ahead and just copy my signature. Control C, that copies it. Go back into my template, hit Control V, and it pastes it. I have to hit enter to bring everything to the top. Now, if this image is too big to the left, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. And then I can drag this over so it's right to the left. Now we don't want the borders of this table to show in our signature, so I click inside the cell, then I go up to table properties, and I get rid of the border. I click clear, and then I go to the 1 point, I go 0 point, I click OK, and it disappears. Now I highlight the entire thing, I copy and paste it, and I do that through Control C. That's the copy. Then I go into my Gmail to settings, and then I go down to the signature. And when I get down to the signature, I click in here and I click paste, and you can see that it ends up pasting it in there. Now I have a little bit of an issue with that, so I don't like that way that one looks, so I'm going to delete it. And I'm going to go ahead and go back to my template, and I'm going to try the over and above. So I copy, go back into my Gmail, and I paste. And I think this one looks a lot nicer. Then at the very bottom, I hit save. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at 937-499-1487 or at justin.klein@ketteringschools.org. Thank you.